don't aim to get anyone in the video unless they come in the video.
Nasi tilikwenda kuona mashiri kulectuero. Doba tilikwenda kuona mashiri na jashoye mafalcon. Yeah, then tena ne papa wetu tomuratiza manyoka acho. And then anozotiza because anotyika manyoka acho. Bo.
Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm saying. Somebody can subscribe. Get somebody transcribe for me. What did you say, Akshay?
Explain the meaning, no?
Akshay?
It's alright.
He was saying we're coming to the Trek petrol station for some worms. That's what he was saying.
Oh, they can get my worms.
Akshay.
Do you actually know what he said?
Because Papa's here. We're off to get some worms.
Are you gonna touch the worms?
Yeah, why not?
I told Papa I need to go.
What's worms in Shana?
Come on, Akshay. Bit better driving for the vlog. Oh, yes. Right, day 5. We should be day 5, but I just haven't kept up with it. Get ready for the adventure.
Started, you'll never finish.
Wow, man, I'm on it now.
But he's vlogging now.
It's vlogging.
Allah.
Why did
Because you never finish it.
Disclaimer.
Ooh, sock. Got that on camera. That's gonna get me to 1 million views straight away. That.
You have to ask the guests first. They don't sign. Try to take in the videos of the photos. You have to sign this
I'll put anyone in the videos without their permission. Just to let you know, guys.
Alright. One of my worms. Madi. Unza. Yawanda si.
Come on, Akshay.
So what you editing?
Has he done your deal or what?
He's doing it. What I said, we're going to take Papa to touch the snakes. And Papa's going to see the snake and he's going to run away as fast as he can, faster than a Ferrari.
Change the name to Papa Vlogs.
I think so.
Now you can sing the $1 worms.
Dora.
Is it a lot of them? No.
Disgusting. What's disgusting?
Alright, unza one.
What?
Unza one.
Papa, this is a good view.
Arubata.
Robert.
Yeah.
Ma
Ombe.
mazi ombe.
Madigi.
Ombe zakadai. Ombe.
Are they still alive, Akshay?
Yes, still alive.
Hey, sure, Akshay, yeah?
Yeah, like, get another one.
Count how many worms there are.
You can't have every incident here left and then you can count it.
Ask about so. So.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's a good few in there. We should be alright. Yeah. Welcome, guys. This is Africa.
Welcome to Africa.
Welcome to Jamrock.
What?
Jamrock. You don't know Jamrock, Akshay?
That's the name of your page, isn't it?
Ah,
Ready?
that was the name of my first vlog.
Yeah, your first vlog.
First ever
Showing
vlog.
him the dashboard.
People like to see these sort of things.
The dashboard or the outside?
JW.
Hey, get off that.
Huh?
I'm telling you, get off that. They keep it painted, it's nice. And they put hieroglyphics for us to understand. They're swimming here.
Yeah.
I forgot they're swimming here.
This
I
is
was
the
thinking
brutal
like
thing.
in the no man.
Mdada. Uchili kwa banaba. Unanzia. Kangana. Ndo yanese kuruangu msasani.
Okay, msasani.
Ungamzia?
Asani bola.
Aiwa.
Haha, Kewani.
Umzi, ubona wakati kangana.
There's 2 senior citizens.
Yeah.
Too expensive. U-turn.
Yeah.
I must see
Hussein,
it.
have you noticed? Have you
We'll both act like senior citizens.
never was there before?
It was.
There's your walking.
Speak for the vlogs now, Bomber Clark.
Hold your peace for you.
We have made it to this National Kruger Park. It's absolutely amazing.
What park?
Shush, man. Have to do a bit of clickbaiting on that. Guys, you're not ready for it. You. Then explain to the vlog where we are, please. Come on, X-ray. We are at Karimba Shimbi. I've been here before. Hello. Yo. That's a madness. Hello.
Oh, there's another one there, and there's another one there.
Yo.
Oh, look at that one.
Yo.
You know that is the one also with green color.
Wagwanji.
See that color? Yes.
Cuckoo hawk. Up.
Yeah, that's
Yo, chill out.
going there.
Yo.
And they're telling you not to mess with it.
Oh, this is what I've been looking for. The African goshawk.
Look at that one. Papa. Papa. Look at that one. Oh, he's posing for you. No.
There's one there as well, the big one.
Papa, look there.
Oh,
Look at the back. Look at
What's
the back.
one of those?
Oh, who's that?
Looks like a penguin.
Seriously?
Yeah, it does look. It's look
If
like.
you tell him he looks like a penguin, I'm sure he'll come after
He
you.
does though.
Yo, penguin.
You know that one? That Kobe? He's calling, hey, Papa. He knows Papa already. He knows Papa already. The new day that's crying. No, it's not bad actually. Just crying for Papa. Okay. This one here in the front.
Yo, Papa. Does it talk, this one?
Now he's upset. See, he's upset. He doesn't want to talk.
Shouting, Papa, Papa.
Oh, he's posing for you. Look.
Looks like a chicken, this one.
There's 3 here. That's an eagle. That's a vulture. I don't know what these ones are. Must be the names.
It must be a chicken, a big chicken.
Chicken. You want to have some chicken? I think someone's hungry. There's an eagle. Short-tailed eagle. That's a short-tailed eagle there. A vulture.
Fishing.
And a white-backed vulture. The
There's one up
white-backed is there.
There's something up there.
It's the same as these ones. There's 4 different ones. There's one there walking there also.
Yo, where are you, Julius? Julius? Julius is missing.
Then he'll go call his Shamari. There, Shamari. Just arrange for me this.
Guys, I missed recording the parrots. You're gonna have to open. You're gonna have to wait for them. I'll come back to that. Ah! Ah! Yo, check this one.
He's putting on a show, huh? Black, this snake.
Oh, yeah, snake.
Down, but hey. Let's wait till they open
Look
the
at
door.
the brown one. He's just looking at you like, what are you saying
There's
about
a
me?
picture there, sorry for you.
Strike me a pose.
Not even when they open the wings, you can take it.
doing a-
She'll open
She's
just now.
doing a runway show for you here.
Colony?
You're also getting blurry for video.
Oh, poor little lad. Have you not got no friends? Papa's here for you. What you sexy? Why they all got such weird names? Are these real names?
Yeah.
Yo! Chill out, man.
You're getting the videos of that, that's nice. Look at them, so sleepy. These ones are sleepy, and then that one. Check,
Look, it's got one eye
check
open.
that one, it keeps closing.
One
Open its
eye
eyes.
open when I'm sleeping.
Check that one.
One eye.
They're so cute though. They look cuddly.
African wooded owl, Zizi, Shona name. What does Zizi mean?
Owl.
Oh.
This one is dancing quickly. Come here.
Strike me a pose.
Dancing for you.
It looks like.
Singing rockabye, baby.
Papa, where you going? I can see you. Are you on Blender's cause?
Look at that one at the back, how it's laughing. With its eyes closed.
Strike me a pose.
See that one?
White faced owl. Shona name Zizi. Alright, chill out you.
Nothing, that's it.
Absolutely amazing, guys. What a wonderful adventure. What's in here? You're gonna walk through there. I'm not walking through there, no chance. Chicken. Exe. Yo, that chicken's gonna attack me. Chicken. Yo. Shut up, blood. Oh, shut up. Who? I am the guide. Look at this. Egyptian vulture. Oh yeah, look at that one there. Amazing colours. Strike me a pose. Yo. Get here, you. Who's giving you a tour? Your ex-say, watch it, there's a snake by your feet.
Actually, right here.
Pull up in the middle of the night, darling, I wanna see you cry, yeah. Now you praying.
Back for a nigga. She let it clap for a nigga. And she do it back for a nigga. Yeah, she do it back for a nigga.